Welcome back to Tech Guys, where we bring you the latest in the world of technology. If you find yourself thinking you're wasting time finishing trivial tasks around the house, watch this video, and you just might find one of these new tools that will help you still get the job done in less time. 1. Wacon Cable Stripper. This wire stripper from the German manufacturer Wacon will assist you in removing wire insulation. It's a tool for working with wires ranging in the diameter from 0.15 to 1.1 inches. The ability to fine-tune the depth of cut is a significant advantage. It enables gentle wire stripping without endangering the wire itself. The operation principle is simple and intuitive in a single work cycle that takes only a few seconds. In addition, the tool can cut a complete circle. The cost is $22. 2. Dusty Brush. Bins and drawers are among the most difficult things to clean because they must be emptied before being cleaned. Dusty Brush is a vacuum cleaner attachment that can fix this problem. It is intended to detect only light, fine particles while ignoring larger objects. As you can see, the device greatly exhibits cleaning drawers, even those containing small objects. The brush's flexible design allows it to reach even the most distant and difficult to reach areas. The cost is $23. 3. Bagan. And here's a tool for those who want to considerably increase agricultural productivity. Bagan is a company that creates and develops nut harvesting machines. The working body is a spiked roller that picks up nuts, pine or magnolia cones straight from the ground, disregarding branches, leaves, and other debris almost entirely. The roller drops the picked fruits into a special basket after a full revolution, allowing you to harvest in a comfortable position without having to bend over. There are two models available, with working widths of 18 and 36 inches, respectively. Prices start at $520 and can go up to $730. 4. Root Assassin Straight Shovel. Why have a saw and a shovel in the house when you can have both in one device? Root Assassin has created an extremely versatile and practical tool. Its working body, the shovel blade, has raised edges that can be used to saw wood. This tool is ideal for yard work because it easily removes roots when digging. If necessary, the teeth can be sharpened to ensure that the blade saw remains efficient for many years. The cost is $65. 5. Unger Universal Bulb Changer. You can now change a light bulb in the ceiling without needing a chair. Here's a tool from Unger Company in the United States. It includes a light bulb holder as well as a long handle for reaching light bulbs on high ceilings. The set includes several swappable holders of various sizes and shapes to ensure the tool works with all bulbs. Overall, it is a faster and safer way to complete routine tasks. You can get it for $40. 6. Asmero RT3700. Those who frequently work with adhesive tape should be aware of the following tool. The Asmero RT3700 is an automatic device for dispensing and cutting tape. It measures, cuts, and attaches the sections to the rotating drum independently. The user determines the number of pieces on the drum as well as their length. The tool then uses a sensor to keep track of how many sections are left on the drum and dispenses the new ones as needed. The cost is $300. 7. Wagner Smart Flow Roller. With today's latest tool, you can paint a room in half the time and have the walls look like they were painted by professionals. Wagner has created a smart paint roller with a handle that can only paint while you work. The tool eliminates the need for a tray by allowing you to feed the roller with fresh paint on a regular basis. You'll pull the roller away from the wall less frequently, resulting in fewer drips on the floor. One full tank will cover 70 square feet of surface. The cost is $30. 8. Snow Joe 1324V SS 13TV. This product on our list has all of the benefits of an electric tool but none of the inconvenient wires. Snow Joe offers a cordless snow shovel. The device has a tough sealed body, generates no emissions, and is nearly silent. The working width measures 13 inches and the depth measures 6 inches. A fully charged battery provides 1 hour and 10 minutes of operation time. It can throw snow up to 20 feet and costs $200. 9. The Buttoneer Tool. You'll never have to waste valuable time sewing on buttons again with this tool. Avery Dennison experts have created an innovative product that allows you to complete this task in a matter of seconds and with a few simple movements. Simply insert the clip, place the button on the special holder, and pull the trigger. 10 buttons can be attached to a single clip. The buttoneer tool is compatible with almost any fabric. The cost is $18. 10. Milescraft Center Finder. Anyone who has done carpentry knows how time-consuming marking a board is. That is why Milescraft, an American company, developed Center Finder. The procedure is completed in a few easy steps. You insert a pencil into the holder, position the tool over the board, turn it, and draw a flawlessly straight line with minimal effort. The Center Finder is ideal for any wooden workpiece up to 2.5 inches wide. The special notches for creating offset lines are a nice touch. This product is only $7. 11. Rothenberger Row Pump Super Plus. Pneumatic plungers are replacing traditional manual plungers. This device was introduced a few years ago by the German company Rothenberger. It can quickly unclog a toilet, sink, or bathtub. A passenger seal around the piston increases suction power. For added convenience, 2 adapters, one long and one short, are available. Overall, the tool is compact, easy to use, and long-lasting. The cost begins at $210. 12. Hefele Axillo. Surprisingly, this tiny device can save a significant amount of time and effort. Axillo, a plinth adjustment system, was created by the German company Hefele. Depending on the model, the mounting height can be 2.3 or 3.1 inches. Simultaneously, the height can be adjusted from 2 to 4 inches. The cost per piece is around $20. 13. Exact Pipe Cut. With this tool from the Finnish company Exact, you can now cut pipes quickly, easily, and completely safely before installation. It is intended for use with plastic and metal products. The maximum wall thickness is determined by the model. During the work, the protective cover of the saw blades covers the dangerous area, lowering the risk of injury. Because the device is only 13 pounds, you can work more productively for longer periods of time. It costs only $16.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to our Tech Guys channel so you won't miss all the new videos that come out every other day that are all about tech news and reviews from just some tech guys. Tech you out next time.